Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the receiver model and firmware because capabilities vary. This matters for which menu to use. Once powered, make sure the TV displays the receiver menu. Next, locate your Wi-Fi SSID and password and check whether the unit supports 4 GHz or 5 GHz. This affects signal range. Finally, ensure the router is on and near enough for a steady connection. Make sure there are no temporary service outages before you proceed with network pairing. You now use the receiver's settings menu to begin pairing. Navigate to network or wireless settings and select Wi-Fi. Once in scan mode, pick your SSID from the list. If several appear, match signal strength and router name. Then enter the password exactly. Use remote input carefully because character mistakes are common. If the SSID is hidden, choose manual setup. Type the SSID and set the security protocol to WPA2 or WPA3 as supported. Once done, instruct the unit to connect and wait for confirmation. You finish by checking the receiver's network info screen to confirm it obtained an IP address and gateway. This proves local network success. Once connected, test streaming or channel updates to verify internet access. If it fails, reboot the router first, then the receiver, and repeat the connection steps. Many issues clear with a reboot. If still stuck, try moving the router closer or use an Ethernet adapter. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, note settings and perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.